Question number 2, first subdivision. We have a real life situation here. There is a girl called Ritu who is just sailing on her boat on a stream, that is river. Now they have given two conditions. When she is sailing downstream means going along with the river direction. She is taking 2 hours to travel 20 kilometers, and when she is moving upstream means going against the flow of the river. In that case, she takes 2 hours to go 4 kilometers. They are asking us to find what is the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the water current. So we have to find two things. We are going to find the speed of rowing. Let us take the speed of rowing to be x kilometer per hour and the speed of water current to be y kilometer per hour. You know that time taken is equal to distance traveled by speed. Now we will discuss the first situation. In the first situation, time taken is 2 hours. The distance traveled is 20 kilometers. The speed, when the person is moving along with the direction of the water, then his speed will get added with the speed of the water and both are going to help him. Not only his speed, the speed of the water current is also going to help him sail faster. So the total speed will become x plus y. Now you take x plus y to this side and bring 2 to this side, then we will have x plus y equal to 20 divided by 2. That implies we have x plus y equal to 10. Keep this as equation 1. Now we will discuss the second condition. The second condition is, now he is not going to travel downstream, that is along with the flow of water. Now he is going to travel upstream, that is against the flow of water. Now the speed will get reduced. His speed is going to totally get affected by the speed of the water. So now the speed will become x minus y. So he is able to travel only 4 kilometers now in the same time 2 hours. In 2 hours he is able to travel only 4 kilometers because his speed is getting reduced. Now you take x minus y to this side and 2 to the other side, then we will have x minus y equal to 4 divided by 2. That implies x minus y equal to 2. This is equation 2. Now we are going to solve both the equations. We have x plus y equal to 10, x minus y equal to 2. When you add the equations, y will get eliminated, plus y minus y will get cancelled. We have 2x is equal to 12. That implies x is equal to 6. We have x plus y equal to 10. Substituting x is equal to 6, we have 6 plus y equal to 10. Then your y value is going to be 10 minus 6. So y is going to be 4. Now we have found both the answers. The answers are, let us write the answers. Speed of rowing. Speed of rowing we have assumed as x kilometer per hour. So the answer is going to be 6 kilometer per hour. And speed of current, that is the speed of the water which is flowing in the river, we have assumed as y. We have found y is equal to 4. The speed of the current is going to be 4 km per hour.